Hey guys, in this video we're going to be going over Boxscore app, and this was the T alternative. Okay, so this one was basically a man-only app because T was a woman-only app where users would anonymously share information and warnings about men, and in this case Boxscore is to share warnings about women to spot red flags and actually receive feedback. So this app itself, it was available on the Apple App Store, but now it's actually been taken down. So it's no longer there as of last week. I believe it's been 2 weeks now. They took it down, so it's not available anymore. We don't know if they will bring it back up or not. Okay. So as you can see, they're not going to be making an Android version. Okay. So it seems like they've taken down this app, so keep that in mind. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.